guys, first of all, welcome to the channel. Me and my son decided to go out to Radio Island Rock Jetty today, and this is just some of the video that we captured. Please subscribe, like, and share if you guys like the content. Thank you. Well, I was going for speckled trout, but we caught a flounder. They're not in season here in North Carolina, so this was crazy. This was literally my first cast into the water. Well, it's a pretty good sized flounder. We're gonna measure it real quick. About 16 inches. 16. It would be legal if it was in season. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back. And I'm just kind of using the method of jig, pause, jig, jig, pause, jig, pause, jig, jig, pause. And they say the fish normally hit on the, and from my experience, they normally hit on the pause. So I got something. Oh, looks like a blue. Something else. I don't know what it is just yet. Oh, it came to the top real quick. Let's see. Is it another blue? What is it here? Oh, I got a speckled. Looks a little small though, but we're gonna measure it. It's probably only about 10 inches. We'll see. That's what we were going for today, at least. At least I know they're here. So now I just gotta catch your mama. Or daddy. Or big brother. Right in the lip too.
11. No, 10.
Yeah, they gotta be 14 here in North Carolina, so. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw him back. Hopefully he's good to go. We haven't had out of the water too long. Oh, there we go. There he goes. Got that 1/4 ounce Jighead. It's like a green and white color. And I want to say it's either the 3 or 4 inch DieZel MinowwZ Creole Croaker. Getting it done today.
Yeah, can I let him go?
Yeah, go ahead. Speckle number 3 for today.
I'm getting him out there. It's not like I'm melon.
Oh yeah, no, I know. I know. All right, I'm gonna put a little more juice on it for him.
Hey, check your tail,
Just got some Procure Blue Crab flavor that they like. We're wade fishing today here at the Radio Island Jetty. It's kind of in between Morehead City and Beaufort, North Carolina. Let's see what else we can catch. We're having a pretty good day so far. Oh, this looks like a secret a little bit heavier. Hopefully it's a heavier speckled trout. We will see. You gotta be really careful with these speckled trout because their lips are really thin and you will rip them if you're not careful. So I'm just kind of carefully walking backwards in my waders, and it is a speckled. A little bit further to go to the beach. Seems about the same size we've been catching though, so we'll see. Let's see. I think it's still too small.
We got another 12 incher.
Another 12 incher. All right. So one good thing about these Z-Mans is they're made out of this material. Don't ask me what it's called off the top of my head. I don't know. I could probably find that out for you. But they last forever. So you don't lose too many of them. All right, let's get back out there. It's a little chilly out here today. It hadn't even got to the bottom yet before something hit it. Hit it again. The speckled bite is on here today for sure. Out here at the Red, Yellow, and Rock Jetty. I've also caught a flounder and a blue though, so. Oh, that's probably why I didn't get no more bites, because my bait was all messed up. Let's see if we can fix that. Alright, let's get it back out there. Good thing is the sun's shining, so at least I got a little bit of warmth on my back. Oh, there's something a little bit bigger. Here's hoping. Hopefully you guys can see it. Just trying to keep it in the water. They have really delicate lips. They're speckled. But they're a pretty good size. Maybe this one's a keeper. Yep. That one might be a 14-incher. We'll see. I don't know.
Or it could be another 12.
Yeah, or it could be another 12. We'll see.
Yeah, it's another 12.
It's another 12. Alright. It's alright. We'll keep going. There's a lot of blue again. I'm hoping it's... I don't know. It's fighting a whole lot though. But it might be a blue. Yeah, it's a blue. Yeah. Oh, it might have came off. Yep, it came off. That sucks. It's pretty heavy too. Speckled, a little bit bigger.
Another 12 inch.
I don't know, that one looks a little bit longer, maybe 13. We're going inch by inch.
13 inches.
Alright, I need one more inch, guys. One more inch. Yeah. Looks like a speckled, actually. It just hit really hard and it was fighting a lot, so I assumed it was the speckled. Huh? I don't know. Pretty fish though. Some dolphins out there chasing bait right on the other side of the jetty. You want to try to keep as much slack out of your line as possible, so that's why I kind of reel in between the jigs. Especially with speckled, you just don't want to have a lot of slack in your line. A lot of times you won't even feel the bite till it's too late, till it's gone. Oh, got something on. Oh, got off. Man, that was a good bite too. Till it comes back. Yeah, I had something good on. Oh, there we go.
Flounder?
No. All right, this time. Hopefully it's on good this time. I think it's a speckled. Yep. Oh, yep. I hit it 3 times before it decided to go ahead and chomp down on it. Nope.
12 to the fork.
No, everything's been like 12 inches the whole time, like 12 inches. Yeah. So, same with you over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was hoping for something a little bit bigger, but hey, you know. At least I know they're here.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I got like 3. I got a flounder too, of course. I can't keep it, but yeah, it was like a 17-incher or something. Oh yeah, yeah. I actually I prefer using the Z-Mans because they, yeah, the plastics are better. That's, yeah. They'll last a lot longer. This has lasted me the whole time I've been here, so. Oh, got something on. Seems a little heavier. I don't know. Oh, a little jump out of the water there. Oh, it's a blue. We ain't fishing for these today. Like I said before, a good catch anyways. They fight quite a bit. Don't tear up my Z-Man. There we go. All kinds of, I was not expecting to catch this much fish today out here, but I'm happy that we are. Like I said, where today is, oh gosh, mid-December. I think it's the 16th, 17th, something like that. But mid-December, about 45, 50 degrees. I'm not sure what the water temperature is right now. We just had a cold snap come through like a few days ago. And then it was warm for like 2 days, a little bit warmer, like 60s. And the water temperature was able to actually drop though, so it's kind of nice. But today is not awful. There's really no wind today, which is nice. Oh, got something on there. We're right here near Beaufort Inlet, and it is actually normally pretty windy out here, so most days. But today it's not too bad. Yeah, I think it's a little small. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back. Not even gonna measure that one. Oh, everybody that way. He's good. Oh, about 12 inches again. It's like story of today, 12 inches. I got 13 inches, but majority of them have been 13 inches. I mean, have been 12 inches. All right, let's go back in the water real quick. Come on, I need a bigger one. There we go. All right, got something else, guys. Let's see. Oh, looks like a trout. Please be a bigger one. Please. I figure if I just keep plugging away at them, I'll get one of these big guys. They gotta be down there. They gotta eat too, you know? 11 and a half. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, there we go. He got a little confused, but he's good. Some big teeth on him, so you can see it. I'll show you. Okay, the two front teeth, there's normally two of them, but they have little fangs right there. Small guy. I'm even gonna measure that one. Alright, buddy. Oop, and he's gone. I'll fix this guy. I like to try and push him all the way up as much as I can onto the jig head there. Oop. See, I might need to put a little bit more Procure in there. So I got the Procure Blue Crab flavor. And on the Z-Man, it's kind of nice because they have the little slits normally up underneath there. You can just put it right in there. That's what I normally do. Alright, let's get it back out there. And I'm wading in probably about a little over waist deep water. There we go, I already got something on. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, this fishing out here at the jetty. Killing it. We've probably been here for, I'd say probably about 2 hours now. And I probably caught, I don't know, at least, it's too small, at least 15 or 16 speckled trout. All of them small, no keepers as of yet. And then I caught like a 17-inch flounder and 3 or 4 bluefish. And that's in 2 hours of me being out here. That's, like I said, that's some good fishing right there. I'm sorry if I covered the lens up. I'll take that any day. And tell you the truth, I'm at least happy I'm catching fish. Sometimes, you know, you get to a place and you think it's going to be good and it does not end up being good. And you just sit out there giving away bait. It seems a little bit heavier. I know I keep saying that every time, but no, for real, this one actually does.
How many blues did you catch?
No, I haven't really caught too many blues.
And that is going to be a 12-incher.
Come on, man. Coming at me pretty fast. I think it's another 12-incher. Look at that. Yellow mouth. Look at those fangs up front. Yep. Wow.
That is 12 inches.
Thank you, buddy.
Oh, that's 20.
Yeah.
20 and 0. 20 keepers and 20 non-keepers and not one keeper yet.
Exactly. Well, guys, overall, this was an awesome day. We were out there probably about 3 hours, and I caught a total of about 38 fish, 31 being speckled trout, a few being blues, and 1 flounder. It was a great day, needless to say. Please let me know if there's anything you guys want to see. Leave it in the comments, okay? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like the content, please subscribe, like, and share. I'd appreciate it.